Hi friends, I'm Poetic Anban. Today I'm bringing a very interesting topic, that is love and arranged marriage. Which one is good for our future life? I'm writing very clearly. Let's see. Love and arranged marriage. Now I'm writing here birthday, death. Everybody know that. Okay, one man is 1 to 31. Very clearly I'm writing here that 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31. These are the dates. Okay, everybody born in this date. Okay, someone born in 11, someone born in 29, someone born in 23. Okay, I'm saying clear. Okay, everybody born in this given date. Okay, now let's see, very interesting. Don't forget planet. I'm writing here the name of the planets. First one sun, second one moon, third one Jupiter. I'm writing short. Okay, please understand. Rahu, Mercury, Venus, Ketu, Saturn, Mars. And classify here like this. Look, that 1, that 10, that 19, that 28. This given for that. The owner of this that is sun, planet. Okay, let's see once again. Please very clearly listen here. The owner of this given that. Okay, that 1, that 10, 19, 28. Okay, the owner of this 4 given that is sun. Sun is the owner of this that. Likewise, second, that 2, 11, 20, 29, the owner of this given that is moon. How can say in Hindi? इसी 4 तारीख का गुरु है शनि. ओके, ये 4 तारीख का 2, 11, 20 एंड देन दिस. ओके, इसे कहते हैं चंद्र. ओके, एंड थर्ड इज जुपिटर. हिंदी में इसे कहते गुरु, राहु, बुध, शुक्र, केतु, शनि, मंगल, ऐसा कहते हैं हिंदी में. ओके, द ओनर ऑफ दिस given that I'm writing here the name of the planet sequentially. Then very interesting thing is that love or arrange marriage. Which one is good for this given that? For example, Suppose someone is born in this date 1 or date 10 or date 19 or date 28. The owner of this given date is, I'm saying firstly, okay, son. The owner of this given date is son. So the marriage performance is should be arranged marriage is very good, but love marriage is not suitable. Okay, love marriage is not good for their life, and arranged is very good. Likewise, second is someone is born in that 2, that 11, that 20, that 29. The owner of this given for that is moon. So their marriage should be love or arranged, both good, very comfortable for their future living style. Okay, likewise I'm writing here. Okay, Jupiter, first one, love is not good, arrange is good. Rahu, Sam, Mercury, love and arrange very good. Okay. Venus is also Sam, Ketu also Sam, Saturn is not, love good, arrange is good. Likewise, like this. If you want to know more things, then please subscribe and give me a comment. Okay, I will give you clearly, and next week sure